Hey crew, today's video will be a raspberry lemonade, and here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have water, lemon concentrate, we have raspberries, and we have our regular white granulated sugar. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, once you hit the like, please click the hype me up button. Hype me up. 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 So let's jump into our raspberry lemonade video. Alright crew, so we're gonna jump into our raspberry lemonade. I have my raspberries here that I washed and cleaned. We simply gonna load up the top of our juicer and we're gonna start juicing our raspberry. Alright, so we turned it off. I'm going to show y'all what the juice looked like coming out. Then we'll go back to juicing the rest of our berries that we have left. Alright, so we're going to let the juice out. So we're gonna add the remainder of our raspberries into the juicer. So to make sure we got all the juice out of our raspberries, we're gonna rerun this through our juicer to make sure we get all the juice that we need. Alright, so we have all our raspberry juice. We're gonna put our lemon concentrate and our raspberry juice into our glass jug. Then we'll move on to the next step. Okay crew, we have our pitcher here. We have our raspberry juice and our lemonade. We're gonna pour both into our pitcher. And once we finish using the lemon concentrate, we're gonna add 3 things of water in here 3 times, and then we'll pour it in there and we'll mix it up. Alright crew, so I'm gonna get a bigger pitcher and we're gonna add our raspberry lemonade into a bigger pitcher, then add our sugar to sweeten it up to our liking. Then once we done with that, we'll put it in our glass pitcher for our presentation so we can see what it look like. So y'all stay tuned. So we're gonna add our raspberry lemonade into a bigger pitcher with the rest of the remainder of our raspberry juice. To add our sugar, we're gonna go in with 1 cup of sugar to begin with. We're gonna give it a taste to see where it's at. If you ask me, it don't need no more sugar. It's perfectly sweet enough. You can taste the raspberry and the lemonade. But I'm gonna go on with a half a cup of more sugar because we're gonna add ice into our pitcher, and when that melt down, it'll take some of the sweetness away. So we use 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. And I'm gonna share something funny with y'all. My family back home doesn't like when I make Kool-Aid, tea, lemonade, whatever it may be, because they swear I made Kool-Aid, lemonade, and tea for diabetic people. Because you know most people like that syrup consistency. They put a lot of sugar in there and it be overpowering. And I don't need something when I drink it. I instantly feel like I'm lightheaded or something from all that sugar. So I like the perfect sweetness with a little bit of tartness, you know, to the drink. So I think it's perfect, but we're gonna find out. But we're gonna move on to the next part of this video for our raspberry lemonade. So y'all stay tuned, and please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not. And YouTube has added a new feature called hype. So once you hit the like button, you'll see a button that says hype. Hit that and hype me up, y'all. Alright, crew, so we have our glass pitcher. We're gonna put some ice into it. Then after we add our ice, we'll pour our raspberry lemonade into our glass pitcher. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up, then we'll do a taste test. Alright, crew, so our raspberry lemonade is done, and this is what it looked like. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up, then we'll move on to the taste test. Okay, so we have our glasses with ice. We got our Saints cup. Who that? So they're gonna beat them Saints. So go Saints. We're gonna add some raspberries. Now we're gonna pour it up. Okay, crew, so we are finished with our raspberry lemonade, and y'all know we have to give y'all a taste test to let y'all know what we think, how it tastes, and if we like it. So I got a special guest here, my brother Mitchell. He's gonna try it, and he's gonna give y'all his honest opinion. Come on, brother. You like my glasses?
Yes, sir.
You want a refill? I can give you a refill.
Oh boy, that's good.
You want to refill?
No, that's good.
You sure?
Oh boy,
Taste the raspberry.
That's real good. I can tell you. Yeah.
Is it sweet enough for you?
Oh yeah, sweet enough.
Okay.
It's not too sweet. It's just perfect.
Okay. All right, yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit. Perfect, y'all. I'm gonna give baby some, and I'll tell y'all what she think. Hopefully I will, but probably not. So we just gonna close out this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to smash the like button, and once you do so, click the hype button. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel, seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications all. That way you be notified when I upload a video. Y'all know the saying. Pops and my brother Mitchell, we out. Peace.